This was part of the wider protests which were going on that night.
Absolutely.
It was called Reclaim the Night.
Yes, yes.
The West Bengal government could not have been unaware of the fact that when there are protests across the country, there's always another segment which will try and disrupt this.
What?
These are women who, the women doctors are assaulted. The police run away from the scene. Thereafter, the women doctors are called out by name, namely the people who are leading the protest, and they were threatened with the same fate that has befallen the others.
Well, if they tell us, we'll take strong action. Mother, I agree. I'm not disputing.
You are supposed to be
But
aware.
hold on. My Lord is asking me, and let me respond.
What was the police?
What does that
What
tell
was
you?
the police force doing in anticipation?
What happened was there were
There is
150. There were 100. Hold on. Allow me. Mr. Solicitor.
Please don't interrupt, Mr.
Yes,
Sibal. Mr. Sibal, this email was sent on 19th of August by this particular doctor to the
Just give it.
ID of the Kolkata police
Lordships, it's been sent
at 22 hours.
Yesterday, Mother.
Accordingly, the court has been assured by Mr. Tushar Mehta, Learned Solicitor General of India, that the Central Industrial Security Force shall be deputed in sufficient strength. So, Central Reserve Police Force shall be deputed in sufficient numbers to guard the facilities of the R.V. Kar Medical College and Hospital, including the hostels where the resident doctors stay.